Hey folks, welcome to my channel Rams Happy Whispers. The discussion of the day is tap into your curiosity, triple your happiness. Wow, that sounds so great. Curiosity. How do we do that? See, what is curiosity all about? Curiosity is nothing but the desire to learn or know about something. Are you getting me? So, you have to understand this. You have to investigate. You have to figure it out. Because I can't tell you what you're interested in, what makes you curious. So, it's your duty to understand. Well, I'll tell you this with my example so that you'd understand that in a better way. When I asked this question, what am I curious about? A thought flashed onto the screen of my mind saying, I want to add newness into my life. I want to add fun to it. Whatever I come across generally, I try to add these two things into my life, into that. Be it a concept, be it my life questions, or be it anything, I try to inculcate this. Are you getting me? I'll give you an example. So when I come across Northeastern Seven Sisters, are you getting me? So then I thought of adding something this way, and I made Ann Man Am Trim. What is this? Ann Man Am Trim? Yes. Then how did I add fun to it? Ann Man Am Trim, Ann Man Am Trim, Ann Man Am Trim. Because I love this way. It need not to be this way to everybody. This rhythmic way is what I like. I want rhythm in my life. I want rhythm in my concepts. I want that. I like it. Similarly, you might like something, you might be curious about something, just go understand what it is and inculcate that into your life. So what is the use of this? Well, there are lots of advantages out of it. So this one curiosity drives you to investigate your life, understand and explore your life. Are you getting me? It also gives a way for discovery. It also takes you to innovate something. So these are, and then new ideas comes into your life, new concepts comes into your life, and this might give a way for the next generation to go in a greater way. Are you getting me? So why are you waiting? Why are you missing out this chance? Don't you want to be a leader in the life? Are you getting me? So understand, this curiosity definitely triples your happiness. First you try it out. Without even trying it, how can you say that? And what is wrong if you try this? What do you lose? If you get, definitely you will get curiosity, definitely you will get lots of advantages out of it. And whatever you come across, you have to use that for greater good and to, and to make the other's life better. That doesn't mean that the other's life at the cost of your life. You have to make yourself so happy, and then you have to spread happiness across the globe. So this is the idea. So this curiosity is one way. Just go, hold on to that curiosity. It definitely drives you, it definitely triples your happiness. Just try it out today. Understand what is your curiosity. Well, getting back to the concept, I'll tell you what Ann Man Am Trim is all about. Ann Man Am Trim, Ann. A stands for Arunachal Pradesh, N for Nagaland, Man for Manipur, Am. A for Assam, M for Meghalaya, and then T for Tripura, M for Mizoram. So these are the seven sisters. Are you getting me? So what are these seven sisters? These are the northeastern states. Are you getting me? So there is Sikkim as well. Sikkim is also a part of northeastern states, and that becomes 8. But we are not talking about facts or analysis over here. Just don't get deviated from the topic, because our main idea is to understand curiosity, what you're curious about. So that has to be your idea. That has to be your focal point. Are you getting me? So that's all for today. Bye-bye for now. Just go be in touch with that curiosity. It drives you happiness. Bye-bye for now. That's all for today.